Temperature settings guide for LG refrigerator. Is your refrigerator temperature set correctly? We recommend to set your refrigerator temperature at 3 degrees Celsius, and your freezer temperature at -18 degrees Celsius. Adjust the fridge and freezer temperatures by pressing their respective buttons until the display shows the correct temperatures as suggested. Please note that the inner temperature is not the same as the temperature set, but is instead the target temperature the fridge will attempt to reach. Also note that if the fridge is in a hot or humid environment, constantly opening the door may cause dew to form around the inside of the fridge, but this does not affect the performance of your product. The default temperature setting may vary depending on the appliance. Wait until 2 or 3 hours have passed after connecting the appliance to the outlet before storing food in the appliance.